Hello everyone. Today I want to show you some new red wine we have in stock at the moment. And this red wine is something I was drinking in Sardinia, and it's called Cardanera. Cardanera it's a Sardinian name for a bird. Nothing. So this wine is produced by Argiolas wine, and it's one of my favorite producers in Sardinia. Is a producer that makes call it almost the kings of the Sardinian red, which is Riga, and also makes lots of other range of wines. Now this Cardanera, I want to talk about it because I think it's good for the summer. It's a type of red that it will be nice if it's slightly chilled. I wouldn't say chilled as cold as a white wine, but it's slightly cold. And it's made with Carignano del Sulcis. Carignano is a very unusual, not unusual, it's a very unique vine type. Recognize the fact that the roots are not grafted with the American roots, and they use their own root. They go down even at 8 meters. In fact, they don't give them any water, these vines. They search for the water by themselves. Anyway, so we have this red wine, which is a cross between a Rhone wine and a Pinot Noir. So it's not full body, it doesn't have too much tannin, and it's nice and fruity. It's got a lot of fruit, and it's beautiful when you drink it chilled. And it's 13.5 volume, so it's got a little bit of alcohol, but it's actually very pleasant to be drunk with wine, red meat, chicken. It's good for the summer. So good luck, and let me know when you try it what you think.